Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template using Morph transition and just 5 minutes. So tag along and watch till end. By the way, you can download this free template from the link in the description below. So let's begin. The first thing you have to do is paste your images. So I'm going to use these muffins images and I'll use eyedropper to take a color from the first muffin and insert a circle below into the right bottom corner of your slide. Change its color and go to more colors and give it a lighter shade. Something like this. Now select your images and send them to the front. And while holding shift, move them all into the slide and decrease the size if you want. Now let's enlarge our circle. We're gonna move our muffins more closer. Select them and select those muffins that are next in the next slide. We're gonna decrease the size and enlarge that one muffin that we are using in this template. So what we're gonna do is move them right here like this. Select the smaller muffins, go to format shape, right click on them. Now individually go to format shape, click on artistic effects and click on blur option and give each one of them a radius of 100%. Repeat the process to give each of the muffin artistic effect of blur effect and you're going to give increases radius to about 100%. Close the format background and the next thing you're going to do is just go to insert tab and insert a title for this entire slide or your company's name, and I'll use Modern Love regular font, which is perfect for your company title. Next, I'll change its fill to white, and we're gonna insert a title that describes what the muffin is or what it is made of, like what flavor it is. So as you can see, this is Oreo flavor, and so I'll write Oreo chocolate filled muffin cupcake. Increase its size, and I'll use the same font of Modern Love Regular for it. You can download this font from the Chrome extension. Next, you're gonna insert your content text, which describes what the muffins are made of, or what do they taste like, or what is their price, or anything else. So we're just gonna cut out the extra part. So let's give it left side alignment, and we're gonna put them in some distance from the title. Insert a straight line right onto the left side of the first muffin. We're gonna change this fill to white and we're gonna give it transparency. Now the next thing we're gonna do is just duplicate the slide, and while holding shift, move this first muffin out of the slide and enlarge it while holding control. Now you have to select your text and you're gonna send it to the front and go to the previous slide and also bring your text to the front as well. Next, we're going to change the background's color. First of all, what we're going to do is by holding shift, we're going to move these two muffins inside the template and enlarge the first muffin that is onto the second plate that we're going to use in the slide. So we're going to remove the artistic effect from it and change it to 0%. And we're gonna change the title according to the next muffin that we're using. So this muffin is a strawberry muffin, and I'll use pink color from it, and I'll use the same color for the background and for the circle, but I'll give it the circle lighter shade. Now duplicate the slide, enlarge this first muffin and put it out of the slide. Now we're going to change our title, and what we're going to do, while holding shift, move these two muffins inside. Next, we're gonna go to form a background. Well, let's first of all remove all the artistic effects from the tub muffin, and we're gonna return it to the original shape. And next, we're gonna enlarge it. And for the last muffin, let's keep it right there for some time. We're gonna change the background's color and the circle's color. Now let's give the circle a lighter shade so that we can like see it. Next, we're gonna duplicate our slide, enlarge the first muffin, move it out of the slide, enlarge the next muffin, which is the fourth one, remove the artistic effects of blur from it, and we're gonna enlarge it by holding Control key. And next, we're gonna use eyedropper to give the background a color and the circle, and customize your title as well. Now, for the moving on further on to the last step, we're just gonna select all the four slides, go to transition tab, and then click on morph transition. So this is the final result. And if you like our video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. You can download this free template from the link in the description below.